What's up, CircuitPoint community? The Even Reality's G1 smart glasses look like the future. Floating displays, AI assistant, and normal-looking design. But I'm not here for marketing hype. This is real research and honest testing. I'll show you what works, then where expectations crash into reality. By the end, you'll know if the G1 is worth your money or just expensive tech that fails daily. Subscribe to CircuitPoint for reviews that actually help your decisions. Let's get into it. When you first see the G1, you think Iron Man HUD, notifications in your sight, navigation cues, live translation, even a teleprompter while maintaining eye contact. AI integration is the core. Use their assistant, ChatGPT, or Perplexity with answers appearing as text on lenses. Private to you. No camera on these frames keeps the privacy angle clean and the look simpler than camera-first wearables. Micro LED display delivers 640 by 200 per eye, 25-degree field of view, and 1000 nits brightness. Indoors, crisp green text genuinely feels futuristic. Display tech works for glanceable info. Time, weather, calendar. Pinned notes appear without grabbing your phone. Notifications are non-annoying. Control which apps get through, see icons, read messages. Can't reply, but good for quick checks. Teleprompter feature genuinely shines. Script scrolls on HUD with AI following and speed control. Perfect for presentations or video creation without breaking eye contact. Quick notes. Touch and hold to capture thoughts that live on your dashboard. Mention dates and they route to your schedule. AI stays simple. Ask questions, get text on lens, choose their assistant, ChatGPT or Perplexity. Stays private, no speakers broadcasting questions. Battery lasts full day with case providing 2.5 extra charges. Lightweight frames with adjustable nose pads look like regular glasses. Prescription options available. Clip-on shades work without juggling multiple pairs. Now, the brutal truth. Living with G1 reveals pain points that pile up fast. Controls are frustrating. Touchpads behind ears with zero feedback. Every swipe feels like guesswork. You'll use 2 fingers hoping gestures register. One-way street problem kills usability. Read text messages fine, but photos don't display. Emoji reactions invisible. You're constantly grabbing your phone, making these an expensive middleman. Quick notes collapse under scrutiny. 30 seconds max. No timer. Cuts you off mid-sentence. Only see partial content on HUD. Want more? Grab your phone again. Notifications aren't reliable. Message spam causes some to vanish. Phone buzzes, but nothing appears on glasses. Why wear them if you're double checking your phone constantly? Visibility becomes killer. Sharp indoors, barely visible outside in sunlight. While squinting, people spot green glow leaking from lenses. Not discreet. Bluetooth is unstable. Each lens connects separately. 2 Bluetooth connections. Add Apple Watch or AirPods. You get stutters and dropouts. Only fix is force closing the app. Comfort isn't perfect. Light frames but chunky temples dig in with headphones. Multiple users report headaches within an hour, plus required optician visits for proper fit. Side by side, the difference is impossible to ignore. G1 has heads-up displays. Floating text feels futuristic. That's where it ends. Ray-Ban Meta skips HUD, focuses on actual daily utility. Just say, "Hey Meta" for voice responses. No weird touchpads, no gesture guessing. Take calls, play music, record video from frames. Audio quality exceeds expectations. G1 reads notifications with zero responsibility. Ray-Ban Meta sends WhatsApp voice replies without touching phone. Request translations out loud. Post content while walking. Genuinely useful, not just flashy. Battery lasts roughly a day on both. Ray-Ban Meta handles constant audio. Essentially earbuds and glasses combined. Comfort comparison is stark. Ray-Ban Meta are just Ray-Bans. Slim, light, all-day comfort. G1 has chunky temples, visible green glow, extra pressure with headphones. Controls tell everything. Ray-Ban Meta uses voice and side touch strip. G1 makes you reach behind ears hoping swipes work. One feels natural, other feels like science project. Ray-Ban Meta lacks HUD but delivers real utility. Voice, music, calls, recording. Swiss Army knife versus bent butter knife. The lesson, it's about which you'd actually wear every day. This comparison reveals where smart wearables currently stand. The Even Realities G1 represents ambitious technology chasing a futuristic vision. Ray-Ban Meta represents practical technology solving actual problems. Heads-up displays sound revolutionary until you realize most information doesn't need to float in your vision. It needs to be accessible quickly through natural interfaces like voice. The G1 might improve with software updates addressing Bluetooth stability, notification reliability, and control responsiveness. But fundamental design choices like touchpad placement and one-way information flow require hardware revisions. For early adopters chasing cutting-edge technology willing to tolerate rough edges, the G1 offers a glimpse at potential futures. For everyone else wanting daily driver smart glasses that just work, Ray-Ban Meta delivers superior value today. There's the brutal truth about Even Realities. G1 smart glasses. Impressive technology undermined by frustrating execution. The heads-up display genuinely feels futuristic when it works, but reliability issues, control problems, and one-way communication limitations prevent it from being genuinely useful daily. Ray-Ban Meta proves that smart glasses don't need floating displays to deliver real value. They need solid execution of practical features people actually use. Which approach appeals to you? Futuristic displays with growing pains, or practical functionality that works today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. All product links are in the description. If this honest review helped your purchase decision, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're covering smart wearables with the truth, not just hype. Thanks for watching CircuitPoint, and I'll see you in the next one.